You can end up just here, or if you want, come back and leave the final stitch undone. And if you want this lovely white border, and I will show you how to do it. So bring back the white yarn, change the color, and now we are going to crochet kind of backwards on the 2 loops and a single crochet stitch again on the 2 loops and a single crochet stitch on the 2 loops, and all around. Again. We'll come back in a second, or if it's easier for you, you can hold your crochet hook like this. Again, under, we'll come back when I'm almost done, and the final stitch is done. I'm going to cut the yarn and make the neat finishing with the needle. For that, I go under here, again, under, and kind of make a loop myself, and we'll go in right from here. And you can see almost invisible, and I will hide the yarn, and then I'm done, and my little stocking is ready. Thank you.